If the battery terminals are not tightened properly, you have hard starting. Now, if there are corrosion, dirt, rust on the battery terminals, it's better to have them cleaned. You have to have the battery checked. You want to be sure the battery is actually retaining charge. And apart from that, you want to also be sure that your alternator is charging the battery and the battery is in a position to retain charge. How do you know if the alternator is not charging the battery? You have to check. If you start the engine, is the battery light, that red battery light, still there? If it's still there, the battery is not charging. You have to check for electrical issues. You have to check the starting fuse, starting relay to see if they're okay. You have to check if the ignition coil and the fuel injectors are receiving power. You have to check if the earth connection is okay. You have to check if the kickstarter, the brush in the kickstarter, all the components in the kickstarter are actually still okay. Failed fuel pump will lead to a compromised starting. In that case, you get something like this. Weak car remote battery would give you issue, especially for those cars with a smart start button. Now, you need to check if the engine is actually rolling.
Are you playing?
Because the engine could be knocked.
What type of playing
You're
is
trying
this?
to start it, damaging the kickstarter on a static engine. So you have to ask the mechanic to help you to turn the pulley to see if the engine is still rolling. And if the engine is still rolling, you thank your God. Thank you.
Unto the Lord.